Google officially reveals Pixel 11 series unveiling on August 11th, and it's taking place on August 12th in New York City. The Pixel 11 Pro XL in a flat-edge design and Google's familiar camera bar running across the back. The bar is now fully blacked out like on the other models. The Pro XL is expected to feature a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 120Hz variable refresh rate and a peak brightness potentially reaching 3,300 nits. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to run on Google's Tensor G6 chipset, with a possible switch to a MediaTek modem. RAM is likely to remain at 16GB. A triple rear setup likely consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom. A capacity between 5,200 mAh and 5,500 mAh, with 45W wired and 25W wireless charging support. Google Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold prices leak. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.